have a really high success rate due to our long established breeding programme and the training and the professionalism of our people that work with all our dogs. I get to see these little guys from this big to when they go out with their handlers as a fully grown guide dog.
My guide dog's name is Olga, and I've had Olga for about just about 12 months now.
So I'm here today to pick up a puppy, and I'm really nervous.
Still the best part of the job is watching the dog walk off with its handler at the end of all the training and just seeing that person confident, independent.
For me, I find it a lot more relaxing working with a guide dog and using a guide dog as a mobility aid.
Because it's about to change, you know, life is about to change. And love, straight away.